Hey guys, so someone wrote here that got the Amana Refrigerator, that Amana fridge not making ice, and he was looking on how to fix the issue, and someone wrote here, pull it out and see if there are cubes stuck in the tray. I use a blow dryer to fall mine when it does that. It comes out easy, the panel under on the left. There is a hole about halfway back, stick a screwdriver there to release the latch and remove the panel. Then you will see the latch that holds the maker and release and slide it towards you some. Then unplug the maker wires and slide in the rest the way out, defrost and reinstall. You should hear the maker filling up soon as after the install. If you don't, the supply may be frozen or blocked. So even someone wrote here that if he figured it out why it wasn't like the ice wasn't working, and he wrote it here. So I took it out and disassembled it, and there were clear indication that the electrical connectors had blown. I think maybe when we lost power one time the fridge didn't save itself, no idea. I ordered on Amazon, just replaced the whole thing. So hope it helps you at least a little bit.